In this video, we will learn some basic functionality like alert, toast, and vibration. So this will help you to create a real mobile application. So in the coming videos, we will create a real mobile application. So these things will help you. So if you don't have watched the previous video, so link is in I button and description also. So just go and check out. So first of all, we need to install the native PHP in our local system. So first of all, we need to create a simple Laravel project like composer, create project Laravel / Laravel and your project name native PHP basic composer, create project Laravel and your project name, whatever you want. You can write anything, demo, test, anything you want, you can write. Okay, so hit the enter. So you can see the Laravel project is installation is started. So it is installing all the dependency packages. So Laravel installation is finished. So you can see migration and all that, everything is completed. So now we are going to install the native PHP. We need to switch first of all into your project. Then we are going to install the native PHP. Okay. So just clear this screen, TLS. So now CD and our project is native PHP and it's native PHP basic. Okay. So now we are inside this native PHP basic, which is our Laravel project. And inside this, we are going to install this native PHP. Okay. So just hit the enter. So now you can see now native PHP is going to install into our project, Laravel project, native PHP basic. Composer is installing all the dependency like which is required for native PHP mobile application. So after this installation, I will show you the first application. So now you can see latest 3.2 native PHP mobile application version is successfully completed into our Laravel project native PHP basic. Okay, so now we are going to just test this application. To run this mobile application, we need to write the command php artisan native jump. Okay, so now you can see it's asking for Android or iOS. So I am going with Android. So just write Android and hit the enter. So this command is only for to start the jump server and collecting all the file and executing all the files of Laravel, and then it will display a scanner into our browser. So now you can see all the file is just copying and creating zip, and after this zip creation, so it will open a QR code into browser. So let's wait. So now you can see, yes, we have successfully installed the native and also run the jump server also. So I will share my mobile screen also. See if you want to run this application into your mobile application. So in the Play Store, you need to install. You need to write bfrost jump. Okay. So in previous video, we have already covered these things. So if you do not know all these things, so just watch that video. Okay, so you can see this is my mobile screen. Okay, so I am just going to click on this plus button, and going to scan the application. So you can see downloading a bundle. So this will display the default welcome page of Laravel application. If you have installed your Laravel application previously, so you can see welcome screen, getting started screen. So this is the same screen like the normal Laravel application. Okay. So now open this application inside the VS Code. Okay. And we will do some changes. So first of all, code dot, this command will open the code in VS Code. Okay. So you can see in mobile application, by default, Laravel welcome page is display in the app. So now in the app, you can see the screen that is welcome.blade.php. As same as web also if you starting the PHP artisan serve, so you will see whatever the HTML code and all that. So all the things inside this welcome.blade.php. Okay. So now just need to go inside the route web.php. Okay, so inside this I'm going to create a route for a message like toast, alert and vibration and all that. So going to create a route. Okay, so create a dialog. So for that we need to write this use native slash mobile slash facades and dialog. Okay, and also we are going to use this same thing but haptic also. So inside the haptic we are just going to vibrate the mobile and all that haptics. Okay, so now inside this toast dialog and inside the dialog toast and inside this hello world. Okay, sorry, the spelling mistakes, facades, FACADES. Okay, so now that's why it's giving error. Okay, and another I am going to create a alert also, a route get and plus alert. Okay, function inside this dialog alert we need to write the two parameter. Okay, so I'm going to write native PHP. And this is a alert. Okay, and another I'm going to create a haptic also. So haptic vibrate. So I think so there is some error inside this. Okay, so again this as extra s. So we have created three routes: toast, alert and haptic. So for this we need to change inside this welcome.blade.file also. So I have already written some code, some HTML, CSS and all that. So if you want, I can share with you. So you can see it's very simple. Just copy paste this. Okay, so just remove all the code and paste this. So as you can see, this is a normal HTML, normal body CSS, header CSS and container and card CSS and all that. It's very simple code. So if you want, I can share with you and I will share the GitHub link also. Okay, so just comment out if you are facing any problem. And inside this I'm just going to create the three link anchor tag. So for show alert, show toast and vibrate phone. Okay, so inside this you can see the toast, alert and haptic. So three route is there. So evenly inside the href we have written these routes. Okay, so now everything is okay. There is nothing, so in this code there is nothing more complex thing is not there. It's very simple HTML and CSS. Okay, so we need to write a small code inside this return back. Okay, return back. Again I am going to run this code. So just run one more time. Okay, and run this PHP artisan native jump and right here Android. So till then you can see in my mobile application this footer section also, home, setting, profile, you can see. So everything is, I am trying to create a real mobile application. So in coming videos also I will create the real application. So for that this is a simple explanation that everything is not going new for you. So you can write starting right to learn small code for your mobile app, incoming mobile application. So now you can see our new build is ready, and we have successfully run this application. So now let's go in mobile screen. So I am going to share my mobile screen. So you can see I'm just going to scan this code. So you can see connecting to server and downloading app. So now preparing database. So now you can see. So just going to click on show alert. Okay. So you can see now everything is running perfectly. You can see in code when the show alert is inside the alert, native PHP, and native PHP just heading, and this is an alert is just like a content. So you can see everything is coming perfectly. So again, I am going to hit the show toaster also. Show toast. So you can see this toast hello world is there, and inside this code also you can see hello world toast is there, and the third option is vibrate phone. Okay, so you can feel it. So phone is vibrating. Okay, so now everything is perfect. So I think this video is very helpful for you. So if you have any problem and you are facing any problem in installation and anything, so just comment out, I will help you. Okay, so in the coming video we are going to set up the database, because in coming videos we are going to create a real project. So starting the real project we need to set up the database. So in the next video I will set up the database, so don't miss that video. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video, subscribe this channel, and hit the bell icon to get latest updated video from my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.